Welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare Goan Pork Solantule. For this recipe I have taken boneless piece of pork meat. To make the tamarind pulp in a bowl, add a lemon sized tamarind ball. To that add some hot water and let it stand for around 15 to 20 minutes. In a mortar pestle add some garlic cloves, ginger and roughly crush it. I've used 3 medium-sized onions. I've cut the pork into medium-sized pieces. To the pork meat, apply some salt, turmeric powder, Goan toddy vinegar, crushed ginger garlic, cumin seeds, cloves, peppercorns, cinnamon stick, dried kokum rinds, and tamarind pulp. Mix well and marinate for 1 hour. Now add the marinated meat in a pan or a vessel and arrange it properly. Cover it with a lid and cook for around 15 minutes on low to medium heat. Now add the sliced onion and dried red chilies and mix well. Cover and cook for more 30 minutes on low to medium heat. Once the meat is almost tender, you can season it with some salt and sugar and mix well. Cook for a few minutes till the moisture is reduced and the meat is nice and tender. Pork solantule is ready to be served. Do share this recipe with your loved ones and don't forget to share your feedbacks in the comment section.